how to adjust the handle on a Ryobi string trimmer. So here I have my Ryobi string trimmer, and the first job I always recommend is to remove the battery. It's just safer, just in case your hands go near the head. So what we need is to locate this button here on the handle, press it in, and that'll allow you to spin the head. Now I'll move away so we can see that a bit clearer. Spin it back round. So we press that button in. Then you twist the handle like that, and now you can edge with your string trimmer. If you want to put it back, press that button in, and then it's turned back to an original string trimmer. So hopefully that shows you how to adjust the handle on a Ryobi string trimmer. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.